You're gonna have to go fly away. Go on. Look at the other birds flying about. Look at that one. That one's well quick. Go on, go get it. Go on. Go on. That's it, flappy my flap. Go on, you can do this. Go on, give it a flapping. Give it a flapping. You're not up for it just yet, are you? I'm now going to commence communication. This guy seems to be ignoring me a little bit. I'll change the conversation, that's what I'll do. Nah, drawing a blank there, drawing a blank. It's got no interest in the subject of. Let's try, this is a favourite among birds. Nope, not up for that. It's time for you to fly, my friend. It's time for you to fly away. Go on. Go on. You can do it. You can do it. You're just not up for it. No, you're just not up for it. So this little guy flew smack bang into my window, like with enough concussive force to sink a battleship, but he doesn't seem to be too interested in having a little fly now. That's a good bird. That's a good looking bird right there. Yeah, yeah.